The Prayer of Thanksgiving by Walter Rauschenbusch. For the wide sky and the blessed sun, for the salt sea and the running water, for the everlasting hills and the never-resting winds, for trees and the common grass underfoot, we thank you for our senses, by which we hear the songs of birds and see the splendor of the summer fields and taste of the autumn fruits, and rejoice in the feel of the snow and smell the breath of the spring. Grant us a heart wide open to all this beauty, and save our souls from being so blind that we pass unseeing when even the common thorn bush is aflame with your glory, O God, our Creator, who lives and reigns forever and ever.